every Aronia V4 HF6100 handheld spectrum analyzer comes packaged in an aluminum case. Also inside every case is a card with the web address for downloading the user manual, as well as the free MCS software that can control the analyzer by PC by hooking up this USB cable to the connector on the right side. This device is the handheld spectrum analyzer itself, with a rubber protective cover that can be removed. On the back of the handheld is a door for the rechargeable battery and a screw hole used to attach the device to, for instance, a tripod. The RF connector is located on the top side. It is an SMA female type. This device is the Hyperlog 6100 antenna. It comes with a grip that can also be unfolded to be used as a tripod. The antenna can be connected to the analyzer, either using the supplied SMA to SMA cable or the SMA to SMA adapter that fits directly between them. And of course, there is a power adapter to charge the analyzer's battery. For more information, check out our other videos on our YouTube page or go to aroniausa.com.